my plans are for today. So today is the 26th of January, and the 26th of January in Australia is Australia Day. So it's a public holiday. So that in turn means group riding time. Let's go. And thankfully this week we have awesome weather for riding. So the group has taken advantage of that. And yeah, we're gonna probably do a bit of a coast ride, a little brekkie run. I know some people have work straight after this ride, because you know, some public holidays, not all industries well, hold the public holiday essentially for their workers. So I know, I think 2 of our group has to go to work at around 12, so the meet is at 8, so I'm guessing stands up at like maybe 10, 15 past. And then, yeah, it's just going to be a chill coastal ride by the looks of it. And from, oh, I was wondering why my jacket was loose. My dumbass forgot to, zip it back up. Anywho, yeah, so we will be most definitely doing a cruise through the coast. So that will be a whole bunch of fun. There's going to be, I think, 2 bikes that we might be familiar from the last videos, which is the Black S1000 and the Booster possibly. But today, one of my mates is coming along. I'm not too sure what he's going to be riding, but there's supposed to be a Monster, I think a Stealth Black Street Fighter, and possibly an 899 or a 959, I can't remember. Maybe even an R6. I'll have to just wait and see, because the last time we organised something, people had a lot of technical issues with their bikes at the time. So yeah, let's see who the hell shows up. Yeah, I've been having a lot of issues with this goddamn Purple Panda Lavalier mic. Like, what in the absolute shit show hell is this piece of garbage? Now, when I bought it, I'd say maybe the first 2 rides trying to tune it in, it started to work. But now I've noticed that the mic is absolute garbo for things like moto-vlogging, because the mic is highly sensitive. And because it's highly freaking sensitive, it absolutely loves producing audio pops. Hold up, gotta do something stupid. Yeah, produces a lot of audio popping because of the high frequency that the bike potentially gives off and the combination of the wind. So I have lost a ridiculous amount of footage to audio goddamn popping. And the ones that I have been able to use is, well, it's taken a solid few days of audio tampering to fix the bloody thing, because it's an absolute shit show of a bloody mic. Second exit, alright. Yeah, it's just, oh mate, I'm so pissed off with it. So right now, I don't know if it's bloody working properly, or if it's still doing the constantly picking up audio pops, or creating the audio pops, because it's incapable of handling certain frequencies that's just in the ambience of riding and airflow. So I am incredibly annoyed. So what I've done now is I've moved the mic around, I've closed up all potential vents that could be having issues with the airflow. Now I've strapped down all the cables so there's no knocking against the helmet. And I bloody glue tacked all the input ports. I think I was supposed to take the that, oh well, GPS will tell me what to do later. So, yeah, I've had to glue tack the bloody thing, like the ports themselves. So I got to glue tack the lavalier mic to the adapter, which shits me off to no avail. And then I've glue tacked the adapter port to the damn camera housing. So I am not happy with this product, like absolutely not happy. So you all will remember the V4 ride that I did. That was the issue with the audio. Well, one of the many issues which I fixed with a glue tack. The main issue that the glue tack addresses is the fact that with the GoPro Media Mod housing, the headset jack, not headset, but the mic jack sits a little bit on the looser side. And what happens when there's vibration and airflow hitting things? The bloody thing moves, right? So whenever it decides to move, it loses connection and it trips the media mod out. And then the media mod constantly gets confused whether or not it needs to be picking up the audio from the mic on the media mod or the bloody Purple Panda. And Jesus, Teddy Christ, I have lost a decent amount of footage, and that's why I had to cut the bloody audio in that ride, because yeah, the media mod just decided to, you know what, I'm gonna pick up the audio from the mod instead of the mic. So not sure what people in cars thinking. Because a lot of the time they just sit there, they're like, oh, I need to turn in a non-turning area. So I'm just like always questioning it. Half the time it makes no bloody sense what they're doing. And then they just instantly buck out to the left or right to get back on the road, and you're just like, brother, what are you trying to do? I still can't. Those indicators, I just fucking can't. I really just fucking can't without they're just sort of lopsided. It's like they're just trying to go for a high five. I made a boo-boo. I'm in the middle of all the heat and the exhaust, and I'm 100% not opening my visor because all that smoke is going to gush into my damn helmet. Oof. Yep, thought as much. Woo! That is smelly as shit. But yeah, that's the group. 659 or 6 something monster. S1000, Black Street Fighter, S1000, 899 up the front right, and R6 all the way up the front. And my baby. Both of these Street Fighters are S's essentially. This is just the Stealth Black, and it's completely stock. I'm just doing a lap around, hey. Oh no! Yeah, I know, right?
What is it?
It's the sludgy water. Because it happened to me when we were at the other car park. Yeah, it's not carbon yet.
You don't what?
It's not carbon yet, but it's... I don't know whether to change that carbon because it's going to get f***ing dirty as shit.
The try and cut a carbon one that came to there, but it never got dirty because like it was so small.
Yeah.